How to split screen in Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device and click on Search bar at the top. In the search bar, search Multitasking Settings and click on it. In here, make sure Snap Windows is turned on. After you have done that, open the page where you want to split screen and click on top right corner of your screen, which is the second option, and you'll find different layouts to split screen. Select the one you prefer, and on the left side you'll find another tab that you want to split screen with. Click on it and you'll be able to split screen. This is how to split screen in Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.